12 ideas for creative reading spaces for kids. The square footage may be a little on the low side, but this closet clubhouse, created by John and Kara of Little Hellraiser, is awfully big on imagination. What child doesn't dream of having a treehouse? This highly imaginative reading room takes the adventure indoors. In this example, the reading treehouse occupies the end of a narrow hallway that happens to have a window, but the same idea could be adapted to any room. The construction involves building a lofted floor area fronted by an artificial wall and equipped with a ladder. Rail shelves along the walls leading to the treehouse allow for easy browsing. This small window nook makes for an elegant little nursery library. The added shelving is an excellent use of space, and the lovely little table is the perfect place for a pint-sized print lover to pore over her favorite pages. Books are beautiful. Why not put your child's favorite titles on display? Rail shelving, like that used in this sweet and simple reading space, is an excellent way to fill an empty wall or brighten a vacant corner. Add a comfy chair and a good reading lamp, and you're in business. Shirley, a teacher, blogger and busy mother of 3, used to see the cozy little alcove in her office as little more than wasted space, but thanks to a sudden burst of inspiration and a quick trip to IKEA, Shirley's kids now have a cozy reading room of their own, and all for less than $80. The project is the essence of simple. A corner of the room is set off with drawback curtains mounted on curtain bars and equipped with rail shelves that allow books to sit face out for easy access. This imaginative reading nook used to hold hordes of playroom clutter, but following what clever mama blogger, Sarah, of Thrifty Design Chick, calls a glorious decrepification, the space went largely unused. With a little creativity and a decent dose of DIY know-how, Sarah transformed an otherwise wasted space into a beautiful reading nook for her little man. Reading is an adventure, especially for lucky little Rowan, who spends her afternoons curled up with her favorite picture books in this gorgeous little teepee created by her mother, Jen. This little hideaway, created by Chani of Tiny Blue Lines, began as an existing storage attic space. After a little reorganizing, Chani and her husband decided to convert the space, applying a fresh coat of paint and laying down a few square feet of laminate flooring. The girls love their new play space, Chani says. They call it their treehouse. A comfortable reading chair is a must for any kid's room. Are you running a little low on furniture funds? Why not get your DIY on? Kristen of Kojo Designs created this little reading couch for her son, Burke, using reclaimed wood from 2 wooden pallets picked up from behind her local hardware store. Not sure your little one's room is big enough for a purpose-built reading area? If your child's room lacks the needed space, try looking elsewhere in your home. This beautiful, built-in reading area makes the most of the otherwise unused space at the end of the hall. It involves building in shelf units framed around the windows and adding a daybed that featuring storage nooks beneath it. This is no ordinary armoire. Like the pages of a C.S. Lewis novel come to life, this wardrobe takes the curious interloper to a world beyond, a fitting tribute to a classic novel as well as a striking metaphor for the power of a good book. This idea could be easily adapted to make use of space beneath a stairway or in an attic gable. Want to encourage the kids to take a break from the TV? Adding a comfortable reading corner to your family room might do the trick. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.